Hello everyone, welcome to Bloom Learn. Today in this video, I will be sharing with you the 2018-19 half-yearly revision worksheet with answers of class 8. So this is the worksheet. Part 1. Answer the following in 3 or 4 sentences. 1. What is food preservation? Answer. The process by which spoilage of food is prevented by using chemical or physical method is called food preservation. Common methods: salt, sugar, oil, vinegar, heat and cold treatment, storage and packing. Preservatives: sodium benzoate, citric acid, and potassium metabisulfate. 2. How does polish protect leather shoes? Tanning is done with the help of bacteria. Tanning means to make animal skins into leather by treating it with chemicals. Polish creates a thin layer of wax on the leather surface which protects the leather from getting wet and undergoing wear and tear. It also has a lubricating effect on the leather, keeping it supple and preventing the leather from drying out and cracking. 3. How do microbes help in agriculture? Some bacteria live in the root nodules of the leguminous plants, such as gram, pea, beans, etc. These bacteria absorb the nitrogen of the atmosphere and convert it into nitrates, which serve as natural fertilizers for plants. Some blue-green algae can also fix atmospheric nitrogen. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. List at least 3 things that help us to detect that food is unfit for consumption. The 3 things that help us to detect that food is unfit for consumption are foul odor, sour taste, and surface discoloration. List the advantages of food preservation. Food preservation kills the microbes in food and stops them from growing again. By food preservation, the food lasts a longer time without getting spoiled. How are viruses different from other microbes? Viruses are microorganisms which exhibits the characteristics of living as well as non-living things. They grow and multiply only inside the living cells of plants and animals. Differentiate between antibiotics and vaccine. Antibiotics. Bacteria and fungi are used to make medicines called antibiotics. These medicines kill or stop the growth of diseases causing microorganisms and hence are used to cure diseases. Antibiotics are used to control some diseases of animals and plants. Penicillin comes from a species of mold called Penicillium. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and aureomycin are some other common antibiotics made from bacteria and fungi. Vaccines. Microorganisms are used to make vaccines, which protect humans and other animals from several diseases. Diseases such as cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, hepatitis, chickenpox, measles, polio, and smallpox can be prevented by vaccination. Vaccines consist of dead or weakened microbes. Vaccines are swallowed or injected into the patient's body so that the body produces antibodies to fight against pathogens and develop immunity against diseases. Name two antibiotics: streptomycin, tetracycline. Name any two communicable diseases: common cold, chickenpox. Name two common food preservatives used at our homes: salt, vinegar. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment the video. Bye.